How to remove red wine from your carpet. Get a bowl of hot water and add 1 tablespoon of dish soap and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Make sure to stir until combined. Thoroughly cover the wine stain with the solution. Gently blot with the towel. Repeat the process as needed until the stain. If needed to remove excess solution, you may use a sponge to absorb. Spoon to gently remove the excess mixture. For best results, allow the rug to air dry, and you are done.
Cleaning wine is such a problem. What should I do? How to remove red wine from Matace carpet? There are 2 ways. The first way, put the Matace carpet directly into the washing machine. After washing the Matace carpet, dry it. Amazing. Great convenience to my life. Second method, wash the Matace carpet with clean water. After washing off the stain, wipe the Matace carpet with a dry paper or towel. We can't keep our carpets clean all the time. We choose Matace carpet.